Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. Still pretty smoky in BC, and they're going to be putting on more restrictions, so we'll see how that goes. And the border is still closed until at least December, probably next year, so that's the way that goes. That's the update. Alright, so today I have an unboxing. I had a couple things come in. I'm not really sure what they are, but we'll figure it out. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. Make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. Alright, so I had a question about my Sleeping Beauty Fairy Dooney bag, the 60th anniversary. Someone wanted to see the luggage tag on it. So that's what the luggage tag looks like. It's just like embossed with the 60th anniversary, basically. And they wanted to see the sides. So this is where you put the strap, and then here's some openings here where you can put things in. There's tassels on the side as well. These are all leather. And this is where you can put the strap. And then this one has another opening. So I hope that helps you. This bag is hard to find, so I hope that you find it. But if you do find it, it's going to be pretty expensive. But it is a nice bag. Alright, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. I have my blade. And I have this one, came in a little bag like this. So let's see what that one is. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, these are... Okay, this looks like this is my Pandora charm. I believe that's what it is. That's part of the 20th anniversary. And I'll leave all the information below as well. And this one... Oh, this one is another 20th anniversary one. And this is the Clover. And I'll put down the months that these are from. And it has like a gold clover. Some other stuff there. But those are some of my missing charms for my 20th anniversary of Pandora. Alright, so that's cool. Okay, I wasn't expecting those for a while because they come from China. Oh, here's another one. This is the 20th anniversary heart. And this one, they're hard to see. This one's the bee. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and then they gave me a little polishing cloth, so that's nice. Alright, so I got 4, 2, 3, 4, and then I think I might be missing one, but I'll check and see. Yeah, I don't see anything else in there. Alright, I'll check that out. And then my second one came in a box like this. Yeah, so I wasn't expecting those, but that's good. Yeah, because I had some missing months, so I wanted to complete my bracelet. Because they come out on the 20th of every month, so. So the October one will be coming out on the 20th, so we'll see what that is. Okay. Okay, these must be from the same people. Okay, this is the safety chain. And this one, I'm not sure. Oh, this one is the strawberry. Okay, so yeah, so I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and what I'll do is I'll put them on my Pandora little holder there, and then I'll take a picture, and then you can see them a little bit better, because these are kind of hard to see. They're hard to see even when you get them because they're so small. All right, and then I'm gonna put them in my jewelry box that I got, and then I'll take a picture of that too, so make sure that you follow me on Instagram, Senior Style, Susan Senior Style. All right, so that's a pretty cool surprise. I wasn't expecting them. All right, I have some other stuff coming next week, and then we're off to Loon Bay on the 20th. So we'll be taking some pictures of that, and I'll try to do a little bit more vlogging there for you guys. Because some people were asking about the resort and what they do and things like that. So I'll be doing that a little bit better. I'm not the best at it, so stay with me, that's all I can say. All right, so that's my unboxing of my 20th anniversary missing charms. So I'm pretty excited about that. So until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great week, guys. Bye now.